Okay. I just stubbed my toe really, really badly. And I'm about to cry. Because it really hurts. I think I like broke my toe or something. Um, I got a bunch of requests. Like, I love how, like, all of you will watch my videos and, like, message me and request me stuff, but you won't subscribe to me. Just subscribe already. And I might rescribe. I might rescribe back to you. Maybe. If I like your videos. I know I'm being kind of a, like, criticizer here, but I just don't like stupid videos. I know some of you probably think my videos are stupid, but that's your opinion. I don't really care. Okay. So, I am looking into talking about Fred because that is the request that I got. Fred with a backwards E. I am in love with that backwards E. I would love to know how to do that. But no, my retard head does not know how. So, everyone wants me to talk about Fred, so I will talk about Fred. Okay, or Lucas, whatever his name is. I don't know. I used to watch his videos all the time, like when I was like 12 or 13. I used to watch the videos all the time. Okay, and it was there. I would get a kick out of them like so much. Oh my god, I loved them. You know, I really can't do his voice. Sounded kind of queer, but that's okay because queers are amazing. I love queers. I'm gonna get a shirt that says I love queers. I'm gonna get a shirt that says that. Watch me. Okay. Not saying that Fred's a queer. Gosh, no. I mean, it's fine if he is. I don't know if he is or not, but never judge people on like their sexuality because that's just stupid. Okay. Toe farts. Totally forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. Toe farts. Say that instead of the F word. Toe farts. Like whenever you forget something, be like, oh, toe farts. Okay, now a bunch of people like want Fred to subscribe to me, like, cause they think that'd be pretty cool, cause no one else will, cause you guys kind of like are buttheads. So subscribe to me, and maybe Fred will. So they'll follow through on your requests. Okay, watch this video. Also watch a wonderful fish. It's pretty funny. And then check out Tabs 24x7 official and Tabs 24x7 because she's pretty cool. And then check out Fred and his videos. And then have him message me. Be like, oh, yo, message Blondie4467 because she wants to talk to you. Yo, 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 my home dogs. Okay, now I have to go downstairs right now, like, to go walk my dog because my mom's pestering me about it. So I will totally 100% see you later. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Fred. Subscribe to Tabby. Okay? And there's a blue light on my wall. Look at it. Blue light. Find that pretty rad. Pretty groovy. Groovy, yo. I find it so funny when people say groovy. I'm just like, dude, shut up. Don't say that. That's uncool. But you know what? Uncool people are the new cool people. Like, losers are the new cool people. So I am a major loser, like, big loser, big time. I'm like the head of losers. So I'm pretty cool. I'm like the head of cool because losers are the cool people. So I'm cool. Yeah. Also, if you have gauges, a lot of people don't know how to clean their gauges, and it's really simple. And they don't think it's like really expensive and stuff. I mean, it can be if you get the real stuff for gauges. Watch my video on how to clean gauges. It's really simple. Also, subscribe, god damn it. Or, gosh darn it. Toe farts, I said it again. Okay. Also, go watch the movie Paul. It's really funny. It's on demand right now. Or on DVD or Blu-ray. Go get it. It's really funny. Okay. Me and my friends are probably gonna make like a movie soon, or like a skit or some crap like that. So yeah, keep in tune for that. And then the first day of school, right before I go to school, I'm gonna make a video. And the second, and then like when I come home from school, I'm gonna make another video. It's just how it all went. Because you know what? Junior high is retarded. Or high school. What am I going into? High school or junior high? One of the two. I don't know. But, yeah. 9th grade. Pretty scary, bro. Pretty scary. Not really. I don't really care. Look at that. My thing beeped. Nope. 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 No, it didn't. It beeped. It did not deep. It beeped. But nope. I said deep. I failed. I am sorry, America, but I failed. Okay. We're not going to get into a crying session here because my toe still hurts. Really badly. Okay. Nah. 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 Toe farts, I forgot it again. I'm gonna keep saying that. Toe farts? That's my new word. Or double word, whatever. Oh! Gosh darn it! Fuckaroos. I meant fudgeroos. Yeah, fudgeroos. Okay. Fudgeroos. I totally forgot what I was gonna say again. Okay. A bunch of you also wanted me to do a British movie. I will do a British movie. Subscribe to me, and I will do a British movie. Each subscriber, each person that subscribes to me, I'll try and message you, and I'll do a shout out for you. Yeah. Not quite sure how to tag you in the video, but I'll do a shout out for you. And, you know, talk to me. I won't bite you, you know. Talk to me and stuff. Okay, this is becoming a really long video, so I'm gonna peace out here. Alright, peace my home dogs.